In the heart of Bangladesh, where innovation meets tradition, a green revolution is blooming. We are Irrigation Technology Bangladesh, your trusted partner in modern, efficient and sustainable irrigation systems. With years of experience and a passion for green innovation, we're helping farmers, gardeners and urban developers transform their spaces. Our services are tailored to the unique climate and agricultural needs of Bangladesh. Drip irrigation systems, saving water, increasing yield, and nurturing every drop where it matters most. Sprinkler irrigation systems, ideal for fields, lawns and gardens, uniform, efficient and effective. Fog irrigation systems, perfect for nurseries and delicate crops, delivering precision. UV polyhouses and insect net houses, protecting plants from harsh conditions and pests while optimizing growth. Lawn and rooftop gardening solutions, turning empty spaces into lush, productive and beautiful green zones. Custom garden irrigation systems, designed for beauty, built for performance. Interior and exterior landscaping, creating green environments inside and out for homes, offices and public spaces. Why choose us? Expertise you can trust. Innovative, eco-friendly technology, tailored solutions for every client, after-sales support and maintenance. We don't just sell systems, we build partnerships rooted in growth. At Irrigation Technology Bangladesh, we believe that the future of agriculture and urban living is green, smart and sustainable. Together, let's grow a better tomorrow. Ready to grow with us? Contact Irrigation Technology Bangladesh today. Let's make every drop count.